guys, it's Lars Pearson, MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on a brand new 2024 Sailfish 276 dual console. I'm in here in the cockpit of this boat. One of the things I'll point out is for a 27-foot dual console, look how much space you have back here. Got all my seats folded up. You can be at a sandbar or you can be fishing with 4 or 5 people on this boat, and everyone's got a place. No one's running into each other. You have flip down seats both port and starboard. This is the port side option. For the extra seat, you can also get a dive door here if you went with that. You got 2 full in-floor fish boxes. You can use them as storage if you're not fishing. Again, pull out seat in the transom here. Twin 200 Mercuries colored in white. Excellent ski tow bar. So it's here when you need it, and then it's not there when you don't. No wrestling with it at the dock. Freshwater shower to rinse yourself off. Live well. Of course, the reboarding ladder in the back starboard. Now, as I walk under this large hardtop, you'll notice I have rod holders. It's color matched underneath the side of the hull. And then your life jacket storage. So this is where you throw your life jacket. It's easy access for safety. This has got the Galley pack here. You have a nice little wet bar. Some storage for some ice, limes, cutting boards in the backs of these. Nice spot to put like some wine or something. You got inserts there for wine bottles. More cup holders again, sink. You do have storage on the aft part of that, and then also drawer storage, finished in stainless steel. So this port side seat, multi-functioning. This seat is awesome on this boat. You flip this up, you have molded in storage here, which can use as a cooler and drains. You have a removable cooler in the dry storage area here. You throw bags, towels, all that sort of stuff down there. And this seat moves. So you have 3 positions here. You can sit straight up, front to back, lean back a little more, lean back a little more, and all the way flat. So what's great about this is if you are running, you have versatility of how people want to sit. And then if you are out there trolling for any fish, striped bass, tuna, if you take it out there to mid-shore grounds or something like that, you know, this seat becomes extremely comfortable to sit back and literally lay down and watch your rods while you got your captain driving here. Switching for lighting up top, you got a Garmin VHF here. We do also have a Garmin radar on this boat. So this boat's pretty much ready to go. You don't really need anything else. Twin screens, Mercury display. This is your Fusion stereo. Trim tabs, Mercury controls, all your switching nice and easy laid out. Control for the windlass. There's also one up in the anchor locker itself, and power steering on this boat. Tilt helm. This helm seat is electronically movable, so it'll go front to back, depending on how you like to drive the boat, and that's on a switch, so you don't have to wrestle with, any mechanical stuff, as well as a flip up and flip down bolster. So depending on when you sit a little higher, and folding armrests that make it a very comfortable place to seat. You'll notice as I'm walking through here to the bow, underneath me is a very large storage compartment in the floor. We like to throw a lot of stuff down here. Right now you got some canvas down there, but it extends far, and you do have rod storage. So if you're the type of person who wants to leave a couple around the boat because you don't know what you're going to run into, you can throw them down there. They're out of the way, and they're there when you come across some fish or something. Port side, have an excellent head. Large, easy to get into. Sink, extra storage there too, underneath the sink. And the holding tank is externally mounted. That pumps out. Little glove box. Great place to store stuff when you're running so it doesn't blow away. Now, again, you'll notice right now it's a really windy day. I don't know if you could tell on the video here, but we just actually took this boat for a run, and with this door on the windshield and also your wind door here that opens right up, it's on a magnet here and closes. We were extremely comfortable with 4 of us on the boat, and it's probably blowing about 20 right now. And not to mention too, the VDS hull cuts through the chop like nothing else. Storage underneath. There's also access to the storage. When I'm up in the bow, I'll kind of point out where it's at, but you could also access it through the front. So if you got something large, tubes or large bags It's easy access. So you have seating up here. Again, more floor storage. So you're not going to have a lack of place to put 10 people's stuff on this boat to go out and enjoy the day. Again, the storage under here, this flips up to access that, which you just saw underneath the helm. You got grab rails for safety, multiple grab rails. So you got them standing up, you got them sitting down. So everyone who's sitting up here can hold on nicely. Speakers up here as well. And there's storage underneath this port side, and there's also large storage that's also a molded in cooler too right up here in the bow. So you can also have some beverages up here, keep stuff separate, all that sort of thing. Now your anchor locker up front here houses your windlass system, which again you see your controls on that port side there. So you can have someone paying attention to your windlass and your anchor coming up while they're right up there, and also control it. So guys, this has been your walkthrough of our brand new 276 dual console from Sailfish. Give us a call if you have interest in this boat, 609-207-2102. Thank you.